So you've seen the girlies do mini twists. They look full, thick and juicy, but you try it and it looks like this. Not exactly what you were going for. In this video, I'll be breaking down why your mini twists don't look good and give you some tips on how to make them better and last longer. What's up people, it's your girl Kiki, and if you are new to my channel, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, the topic is all about mini twists, a style that if you haven't seen it before or you haven't tried it before, you'll definitely want to get on board with if you want healthier and longer hair. We'll be discussing why your mini twists probably don't look as good as they could and how to make them look even better and last longer than ever before. So let's get straight into it. Before we get started, we're going to get into some of the benefits of mini twists and why people are actually installing them. Mini twists are a great way to support length retention, moisture retention due to less exposure to weather, to friction and the elements and tangles. They also don't take as long as braids do to install, and the list goes on and on and on. Ultimately, in my opinion, they're the best protective style that you can use without any added hair. I saw the most length retained in the year of 2022 when I was doing my mini twist back to back to back. But pause, they don't always look good. I've done mini twists before and I thought, why are they so burnless? They look terrible. Here are some of the reasons.
Your hair is low density, aka it's thin, making it look like you've got about 20 twists on your head. Your hair is damaged, which means it lacks in fullness. Your hair is fine, which again is making it look less full. Your twists frizz after a week, meaning you have to redo them every single week. And your twists might be shrinking up, making it very difficult to style.
Okay, now I've hopefully exhausted all of the problems, let's get into some of the solutions. So, combining number 1 and 3, if your hair is low density or fine, which makes it look like you have hardly any twists on your head, what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to do smaller parts, which is, yes, going to take you longer than you anticipated, but I promise you it will be worth it in the end. Smaller parts equals more twists, which does make it look like you've got more hair on your head. Do not be doing those jumbo twists and having 6 twists on your head, because then you are most likely not going to get the outcome that you desired. Another thing you can do is make sure you're applying the right product. So you don't want to be applying heavy creams and grease, etc. You really want to focus on lighter products like a mousse or even a very lightweight leave-in conditioner. This will allow the curls to be a lot thicker and fuller, which in turn will make your twists appear fuller. If you're installing twists on damaged hair, this is number 2 on the list, then you probably won't get the desired outcome you want in terms of how it looks. It probably will appear a little bit more elongated, but that's absolutely fine. My twists are always quite elongated and it works for me. But what you're going to want to do is definitely focus on the health of your hair in order to get a consistent curl pattern if you're doing it on wet hair, which you won't have if you have damaged hair. So focus on the health of your hair, trim off any damage, and what you can also do is try to use maybe flexi rods on the ends or anything that is just going to manipulate the curl at the ends of your hair. Number 3, if your hair is frizzing after a week and you need to redo your twists, then we need to be now installing them on blow dried or stretched hair if you're not into the blow drying thing. This will allow your twists to last much longer. I'm not entirely sure why, but from my experience, when I've installed twists on wet hair, I literally need to ban the root. And number 2, install them every single week. I just feel like they do not last at all when they're done on wet hair. And that's fine if you're happy to do them every single week. But for me, when I install the twists, I'm installing them for about 3 hours at least. And I want them to last 2 to 3 weeks before I have to then go in again. So the best thing you can do is, for longevity, do it on blow dried hair. Another thing you need to do is use some sort of curl cream or styling product that's a little bit heavier than just a mousse. Mousses are great, they do have good hold, but what I've experienced is when I've used a cream, not only does it last long in terms of moisture, but it also lasts me long in the twist. I've been able to stretch my twists to 3 weeks and I've had comments saying that they still look good and I don't need to take them out. So definitely invest in some sort of curl cream. Lastly, the topic of shrinkage. It all comes to us as natural hair babes. We want more length. We want to style our hair easier. And for twists, if your twist is shrinking up to here, they're just not going to be as cute as they would be if they hit your shoulders. So what you can do for that is when you've installed them, either A, do it on stretched hair prior to installing, not wet hair, or if you do want to do it on wet hair and install them, then make sure you stretch them afterwards, maybe using a band and a hairdryer. On a cool setting, you don't have to use heat, but just make sure you are stretching the twists, drying them so they're a little bit elongated, and then they will sit a little bit lower than they would if you did them on wet hair. Another thing, like I mentioned before, do it on blow dried hair, use a curl cream instead of a mousse. Hope that answers some of your queries and concerns surrounding mini twists and why you need to be doing them the right way in order for them to last. Let me know in the comments if you tried this style or you're thinking about trying it, and I will see you in the next one. Also, FYI, because of this person, I put less makeup on today. As you can see, the bare minimum. Hope you love it.